Well guys, welcome back to another episode of Zach the Fisherman. I am here, and currently I'm actually fishing under a bridge because it's 30 degrees out and I kind of just want to get out of the sun. So sorry about the echo, and sorry if any cars fly by. I don't want heat stroke. Today we're fishing for a special fish, we'll say the least. We're fishing for red horse suckers. I may be fishing a memory here, but a few years ago I would come here and I'd catch red horse suckers all the time. Basically the rig that I have set up to do that is a slip rig with a size 1 octopus hook with a 4-ounce weight. And yeah, I know it's a bit heavy, but I'd rather be too heavy than too light. I just put some beef heart on there, trying something a little bit different there. Don't know how well that's gonna work. We'll see though. We're just we're out here hanging out, waiting for a fish to bite. This will soon be coming to an end, all this river fishing content. I'll still fish the river, don't get me wrong, but I think the past week and a half I've just been constantly posting the river content, and I finally fixed my boat. I put a new transducer on it. I will be fishing lakes a lot more coming this summer. I got an idea for walleye fishing. Let's just wait for this line to catch us a fish. Fish on. Got a fish on here. I have no idea what it could be. Oh, splashing. Ah, it's not our target species. It's not what we wanted, but we'll take it. I can't even see him in this water. It's so muddy. In the net. This is not our targeted species, but it's a nice gold eye to say the least. Send this guy back home. Oh, I just went boot deep in mud. Come on, let's go. All right, not our target species. The beef heart works. Excuse me. Beef heart works. Let's get back out there. Oh, I gotta retie. Now we wait. Well, I keep sinking into the mud here. I haven't had a bite for a while since that last fish. I'm gonna move spots, hopefully somewhere that isn't as muddy. I might even just go fish out of the truck. 28 degrees, but it's not hot out because of this wind. I'm walking back to the truck. I'm gonna fish where I parked. Caught fish there too, but like I said, we're fishing a memory today. I really hope to catch this special fish. This is where I made my first Zach the Fisherman video. It's no longer on YouTube. It was kind of awful. But I was fishing for my truck, waiting on a fish to bite, and I guess that's what we're doing today. Here's a picture from, I don't know how long ago, 2016. Really fishing memories here. Jig in the middle. It's very simple. Let's do this. We're on the bottom. Boom. There we go. Getting hit. Got him. There's a plane taking off and it's flying right towards me. What the heck? What the heck? I caught a pike. I guess it counts. I guess that counts. That's not a bad pike either. That could be a keeper. Ah, stop flopping around, buddy. That's the first pike I've ever caught in this lake. Number 2. Number 3. Five. Seven.